What's up? Welcome back to Babysitting is my thing. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to be making a Play-Doh ice cream. So actually I've just made some chips and gravy. So I'm going to go over how you do that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to flatten out your yellow, and then you're going to cut it into squares with a Play-Doh knife. So I've done that, and then if you want, you can add some black sauce. So all you want to do is you're gonna wanna use some black Play-Doh. You can either put it on, you can make it a square, you can make it any shape, or put it on the side. I like to put it on the side. Okay, so now moving on to the fun bit. So next we're going to do the ice cream. So what you're gonna need for the ice cream is any color. You can either use yellow, peach, no, yellow, orange, or white. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make two triangles the same shape with some Play-Doh right here. Okay, so if I was you, I would recommend flattening down the white, doing a square, and then flattening it out again, putting the triangle on top of the flattened out piece, and then just cut it around that, because then you're like, how am I supposed to do the exact same shape? That's how now. Okay, now the next thing, now the reason you need to make it the exact same shape, and make sure that they're really thin, and also if you want you can flatten them down with your thumbs. That's what I'm doing with mine, because I don't like them to be a little bit too thick, so they are a little bit too thin. Okay, so what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to get one end like this, and you're going to want to stick that together. And then you're going to want to stick it together really good, because so it doesn't come apart. So really, really good, so it doesn't come apart, because you don't want it to come apart. Okay, not being mean or anything, but really press it really hard. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do, oh gosh, crease that in. So I would press hard until you don't see that that line is there. So it's basically an imaginary line. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it, push it out, and I'm gonna do this. It does fail, guys. Oh gosh, everyone's had fails in their life with Play-Doh. If your Play-Doh's not that soft, then you've got a problem with your life, or Play-Doh. Then you've got a problem. So stick them together to make a giant square. So then you're gonna want to fold it over, and you're gonna want to stick it really good. But not too good. Okay, so then you're going to want to do this same again. And then bam, you've got a cone. If you've done math, then you know what a cone is. Okay, so this is super, super hard. Guys, it is, trust me. It took a lot of tries for me to get this, because the edges keep on falling off, guys. So you can pick any type of ice cream, any color. You can pick green, dark green. You can pick white, you can pick yellow, but I picked the one and only strawberry. Or you can pick original, doesn't matter. But I picked strawberry. So I think this looks super good. Or cherry, it doesn't matter. Okay. So I just made it a ball, and I'm so proud of myself when I do this. Damn it, I hate when that happens. So, gosh, smudge. Done it. Oh yeah, ice cream time. That is so cute. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some red berries. So, what are you going to want to do to make red berries? It's pretty easy. You can do this. Okay, come on. Alright, I'm just getting ready for my dinner. So, just going to want to do them up into little balls. So, I'm only doing a couple. So, I've done I'm doing 3. That's it. Okay, guys. So, I'm done. Okay, so I'm done, and I'm going to show you the finishing project. It's super cute. So I have some gravy, some, oh gosh, chips, and ice cream, and some red berries. And guys, you can all do this super easily with my help. Okay, so now what you want, so now what you're gonna need to do is you're going to need to wake up the kids that you're babysitting. Say, hi, Emma. Emma, get out of my face, please. Yes, she does eat Play-Doh, so she's not gonna get poisoned. Don't you, Emma? Yeah. Say hi to everyone, Emma. Hi, everybody. Are you excited to eat your dinner? Do you like ice cream? Yeah. Who doesn't like ice cream? I don't. Actually, I don't like ice cream, if I'm honest. So, okay. All right, time to take this over to your table, and Emma, time to enjoy it. Right, come on, Emma, sit down. I'll pick that up. Sit down. The table. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I have answered some questions of how to make ice cream with Play-Doh for your dolls. She's gonna eat that soon. Okay, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you try this and it succeeds for you. But the ice cream cone you don't have to do. You could just do blobs of ice cream. I just thought of that. But you know what? Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to try these hacks because it makes making Play-Doh easier. Bye, guys. Thank you.